Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Honor Your Temple. This is going to be part 5 of this kettlebell workout series. To finish out, I have a simple ab workout for you guys. You know, hitting the core is the foundation of your strength. Not only the stronger your core is, the stronger you're going to be just overall in not just your workouts and in your lifts, but in your foundation as well. So this is going to be a solid core workout. We're going to hit every single muscle to develop a nice strong core and a well-defined six-pack. So let's get into it.
All right, so the first thing we're going to hit, guys, is these kettlebell crunches. I want you guys to go for 3 to 5 sets on here for 20 reps, okay? And the big thing, you see as I'm doing these kettlebell crunches right now, before I go up, I'm bringing the kettlebell really far back and stretching my arms backwards. This is going to really help you guys give your core a good stretch and activation. And as we're crunching up, we're keeping our hands, nice and straight, and we are extending that kettlebell up as high as possible to give us a good power and core contraction through our crunch. So we're going down, giving our core a good stretch back, then we're powering up, keeping the arms straight, and we're reaching up as high as possible with that kettlebell to give ourselves a really good core activation on here. Okay, we're going to be working through the upper and middle abs on here specifically, and go again for 3 to 5 sets of 20 on these kettlebell crunches to start. After we get done with the crunches, we're going to hit these kettlebell alternating leg raises. Okay, we're going to go for 3 to 5 sets on here. I'm going to try to get about 15 reps on each leg. And the big thing is, as we're holding this kettlebell overhead, as you're seeing here, that is going to force you to really have to contract your core to further develop your core stability, as these alternating leg raises, as we're bringing our legs up and keeping our core tight, is going to help us really activate our rectus abdominis, which is specifically the lower part of our abs. Okay, so we're going to work through 3 to 5 sets of here. Going to really work on the core stability in the lower part of our rectus abdominis. 3 to 5 sets, 15 reps on each leg on here. Then we'll move to the next exercise. After we get done with the leg raises, we're going to move to these kettlebell crossbody mountain climbers. Okay, we're going to go for 3 to 5 sets on here. I want you to try to go for 30 seconds to a minute on these crossbody mountain climbers. We're going to really work on the core stability and core strength, as you have to hold yourself in that plank position as you're holding the kettlebells up. And these crossbody mountain climbers, we're going to really try to target the obliques as we're getting that twist in our mountain climber. We're going to also engage, the rectus abdominis and definitely the lower abs specifically as well. But that twist is going to really enable us to get a rotational movement in this core workout to make sure that we are activating and targeting the obliques as well. So this is an excellent dynamic movement for core development that you guys will benefit a lot from. So we're going to hit these crossbody mountain climbers, getting 3 to 5 sets for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then we'll move to the next exercise. Finish out, we're going to end with these kettlebell marches. Kettlebell marches are going to be excellent for developing core stability more than anything, right? So developing the core muscle is one thing, but the core stability and core strength is so important for how your abs are going to ultimately end up developing and looking, but as well as just your strength in your overall, workouts and lifts as you're doing, more of your compound movements. The core strength and the core stability is going to be so important for a lot of them. So the better you can develop that, the stronger you're going to just be overall. And as you have to hold the kettlebell up and keep your core nice and tight and back stable as you're going through and marching, that is going to be excellent for developing just the core stability more so than anything, which is something I really want, you guys to have, so you can develop a much stronger and a better foundation in your physique. So we're going to go through these marches. We're going to go for about 3 to 5 sets on here. I want you guys to try to get at least 10 marches on each leg before you guys rest and go down to finish out this workout.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this core workout. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed all of these kettlebell workouts in these series. Again, if you guys want me to do any more kettlebell workouts for you guys, or just any feedback of how you enjoyed the workouts or dislike them, leave all that in the comments below. Would love to get more feedback. Definitely be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification as well. Honor Your Temple is all about getting the most out of the one life and the one body that you have. We only get one body and one life, and I believe we should live that as healthy as possible from a physical standpoint, and also in establishing your faith and your relationship with God. You'll see that all throughout my channel. I'm big on your health and your faith being the foundational pillars for your life, because I believe if those two standpoints are intact, the rest of your life can flourish from that. So if you guys rock with this message in this community, would love for you guys to subscribe and become a part of that. Again, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.